In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send queued Gmail. If you've ever seen an email stuck with a queued label in Gmail, don't worry. This usually just means your device couldn't reach the internet at the moment you pressed send. I'll walk you through a clear, simple process to get that message moving, and I'll share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what's happening at each stage. Start by making sure your internet connection is working. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data depending on what you use. Give your phone a moment to connect and make sure the signal is stable. A weak or spotty connection is the most common reason emails end up queued. If you're switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, allow a few seconds for the connection to settle before trying to send again. Stability matters here. Your phone needs a consistent link to Gmail's servers to push the message out. Next, open the Gmail app so you can find the message waiting to go. Once you're in Gmail, navigate to the outbox, sometimes shown as queued. This is where messages sit when Gmail is waiting for a connection or a quick retry. If you don't see outbox immediately, it may appear only when there's at least one email pending. Open the queued email you want to send. You'll usually notice a small notice or icon indicating it hasn't gone out yet. Tap Send or tap Retry, depending on what button you see. This tells Gmail to try again right away. Watch for the sending animation or a brief confirmation. If you have more than one queued message, repeat this for each one so you can confirm they all go through. If the message still doesn't send, check whether airplane mode is on, because airplane mode blocks all network connections. Open your phone settings, locate the airplane mode option, and turn airplane mode off. Once it's off, return to Gmail, open the outbox again, and tap Send or Retry on the queued email. With connectivity restored, Gmail should be able to deliver your message without any trouble. That's all there is to it. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and stable. Open Gmail and head to the outbox, tap into the queued message and hit send or retry, and make sure airplane mode is turned off if sending doesn't start. With these quick checks, your queued emails should send successfully.